Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about different things that are really important that you need to know before buying a camper trailer. So we will give you 5 different concepts that everyone should have into consideration when they're going to purchase their trailer. So, thing number 1, it's not about buying the bigger camper trailer that you can find, it's about finding the right one for your car. So what is really important before going and start looking into so many trailers that are in the market, you should first focus on how much your car can tow, and that's something that you can find in the owner's manual, so you can check over there how much your car can tow, and then from there you start looking for the right trailer for your car, so you don't need to upgrade the car afterwards and you can keep using the same car that you already have. Point number 2 is about also checking what's the weight of your trailer. So there are different concepts when you're gonna check the weight of your trailer. One really popular concept is called the tare weight. So what's the tare weight? The tare weight is the weight of the trailer when it's empty, right? So this means without the water tanks full, without your gear, without your accessories, without your camping chairs, without all the things, right? So this is called the tare weight, and that's the weight, but you should never buy a trailer that can only tow the tare weight, right? Then the second concept is called ATM. So the ATM is how much your trailer can be fully loaded. So for example, some trailers, they are 700 tare weight and they can be loaded up to 1200, right? So that's how much the trailer can be fully loaded. And you should always consider to buy a trailer that your car can take it when it's fully loaded, right? And then you have another concept that is called payload. So the payload is the difference that you have from the tare weight to the ATM. So for example, if your trailer is 700 kilograms tare weight and your ATM is 1200, you have a payload of 500 kilograms. So where do you find all this information? It's really important that you check in the trailer. So for example, in all of our trailers, what we do, we give you a plate, a registration plate, where it's all the information that you need to know. For example, here we are at the ATM, the GTM, and the tare weight. Plus, of course, you get the VIN number where you can check everything online. Also, you have the building date and all the dimensions of the trailer as well. Another concept that it's really important is called the towable weight. So this is a concept that not many people know, and it's really important because some cars can only tow up to the towable weight that it's not the best for the specific trailer. For example, I will give you an idea. There are some cars that have a towable weight of only 75 kilograms, right? So always you have to have into consideration, because if your towable weight of your car is 75 and you have a trailer that has 90 kilograms, that's not gonna be good. That's gonna lift the trailer car up when you are driving, and that can be a bit dangerous. So always have that into consideration, and when you're gonna buy a trailer, you should ask as well, what's the towable weight of this trailer? That's really important. Another way of calculating the towable weight, you have to divide the tare weight divided in 10, and then you can get the towable weight depending on each trailer as well, because the main idea when you are towing, you should always put everything in the axle when you're towing. That's what makes it more safe, all the heavy stuff. You should never put too many things on the front, because then that's gonna cause that the trailer moves around. It's really important thing when you're towing to make things safe, right guys? So I hope that all these concepts really help you, and of course it's about finding the right one for your car. And again, safe travels guys, enjoy, and thank you very much for watching.